Hi everybody, it's Luke here, Clinic Director at Full Potential Psychology, and today I'm going to be walking you through the process of adding a backup server. Now we do everything we can to make sure you have a great experience in Legendland and don't experience technical difficulties, but unfortunately today we are having some technical difficulties. Luckily we've got some great backup servers that can be added quickly, easily, and then you can go ahead with your session with the same psychologist at the same time using the same game. Now there's got to be two key pieces of information in the email that was sent that had this link. The first one is what release is the backup server in. The second is what is the server address. Now it will usually say latest release. Now you can see that my latest release is selected down here and it's in 1.17.1. So the value of the latest release may change. For example, it might now be 1.18.1, but as long as it says latest release and it says latest release in that email, it should be fine. On the off chance that that's not the case, we're going to change the release. Now to do that, you go installations, which is up the top next to play, new installation. We name it. I usually name it whatever release I'm going to call it. So let's go version 1.16.5, and then I will click on the version drop down box, go 1.16.5, just using that as an example, and then go create. And you can see that I've actually already put that in before, but it's been added down the bottom here, and I can select play. I can also go back, click play up the top, go back to the main window, and select from here, but today I'm just going to continue on with the latest release. Press play and then load Minecraft. Minecraft has now finished loading. It may take a couple of seconds, especially if your computer is a little bit older or slower, and I'm just going to proceed by pressing multiplayer like I generally would when joining Legendland, and then go add server down the bottom here. I'm going to call this server Legendland Backup, and then the server address will be example. So obviously you will put in the specific server address, but I just don't want to put that in here for security reasons. And this will be sent in the email. Now you can either type it in or you can copy and paste. So if you did want to paste the server address in, you won't actually be able to right click, but you can use hotkeys, and that would be Control V for a PC or Command V for a Mac, and then press done. And that's all you need to do. Now the server has been added, and I can see if I go down the bottom, I've got Legendland Backup there, ready to go. Now, one of our admin staff will also give you a phone call just to double check that everything's set up correctly and see if you need any support. Thank you very much for your understanding and getting this set up ahead of time, and I hope you have a great day and a great session. Bye for now, Legends.